G'day, Eric from Water Ups, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Sub-Irrigation parallel connector. So what we're doing is we are connecting sub-irrigation channels. I've got the mini SICK here. We'll be connecting these side by side. They already connect end to end, and there's other videos that you can see that'll show you how to do that. This is the parallel connector, and it goes onto the end of any kit. So the end of your line will have a nut and a spigot. So we're going to keep the nut, we're going to put the spigot aside, and we're going to take the O-ring and we're going to place it on the new parallel connector. As always, the O-ring goes on the thread, and that will feed in to the non-threaded end of our sub-irrigation channels. And tighten like that. Now, so to make the elbow, we're going to take an end cap and we're going to put that on one side of the parallel connector. And then you're going to take your wedge washer and the nut, and that's going to go onto the other side. Now we've created an elbow joint. To make a T-joint, we just, instead of putting on the end cap, we get another wedge washer and nut, and that gets placed on both sides. So now the one joint can be either an elbow or a T. Thank you.